Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Val and I'm a sewing DIY enthusiast. So today I am bringing you a fabric mask clothing haul, okay? And since I'll be going back to work, and I have to be wearing a mask outside, I decided to get some, stylish fabric mask so I can look more stylish and be safe when I'm out there. Now, the first mask, oh my gosh, this is so adorable, is this one. So it's like the animal theme. I initially saw this and I thought it was a kitty's mask. Then I saw this is that, okay, there's an adult and a kitty's version of the mask. So I decided to get both because this is just so adorable. Like, oh my gosh. So I think that if I could like match with my nephew, that would be so cool. I can just imagine him wearing this. Oh, it's so adorable. So this clearly won't fit me, so I'm not even gonna try it on. So I'm gonna try this one, the adult one, on and see how it fits. Okay, there you go. It feels well. It's not tight on the ears. That's very good. And if it's feeling a bit loose, I like that they use these elastics so it can just slide it out and just tie the knot. Like I already tied the knot because it felt big on my ears, because I think I have small to medium face, so I think they made it to accommodate everybody with like big faces and small faces. So if you have a small face, probably just tie the knot a bit smaller and then just kind of like pull the knot back into the casing, and then this looks a little bit more difficult than I thought. Okay, I think I almost got it. Yay, I got it. So the knot is like hidden inside, it's not showing anymore. And come back to wearing your mask. Nice, hey? Okay, now the next one is, it's pink. Yes, I love pink. Yes, as grown as I am, I still love wearing pink. So there you go. Here's the pink one. So yes, so it's like pretty pink, and it's lined with pink also on the inside. Nice. So the next one is this red rose colored one. It's really nice, hey? This definitely will make your outfit look great, dressed all black, or you're wearing something with a touch of red, will definitely go with this mask. The next one is a very bright and lovely. If you're not afraid of color, then you should definitely get this one. Look at this. This is just so gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I think it'll go with a lot of outfits. this one, whether you're wearing black, you're wearing red or green, it will just definitely go with this mask. And another one is this one is it's a bouquet material. The other ones were all cotton, so this one is made out of a different material. It's bouquet. It's got butterflies on it. So cool. Nice. Hey, I like butterflies. Now, next one is a bit more playful too, but nice. It's polka dot. So this, I think, anybody can wear this, adults, teen, and it looks cool. Yeah, I like this one too. Oh, there's also one that is circle, so it's actually, instead of dots, they're made out of circles actually. And then there's this one. I have a tuxedo dress like with material that is similar to this actually, so this one will definitely go with my jacket. Well, if I wear it as jacket or if I wear it as tuxedo dress, I will be covered. I like the besides the fact that I have an outfit that goes with this one, I like the solidness of it, like nice solid color. There's also his green one that if I want to snazz up my tuxedo dress jacket, I think if I'm wearing it as a jacket, I could actually wear it with this mask, and then when I'm wearing it as a dress, then wear it with this one. So as a dress, as a jacket, I think it'll work. I'll try it out and see what works best. Then there's another one, just like bouquet. Yes, bouquet is really nice, so fancy. Look at this. I don't know what I'll wear this with, so I need to go through my wardrobe and see, but this is really nice. And then there's also another bouquet one, which is like a flower print. Yes, I like wearing black dark colors. I don't know, make you look slim, I think. So I did get more of the darker ones because I think then they go with a lot more outfits in our wardrobe. Yeah, very nice, huh? Yeah, definitely like this one too. It's not in the top 3, but I do like it too actually. So, and then I got another bright one, African print one. This is very nice. I don't know, I feel like this one is more my skin tone. There's some colors or prints that actually go with your skin tone, and I feel like this is one of those ones that actually go with my skin tone, so definitely love this one also. So could wear with a whole range of colors and be looking fair. Oh, if I could only dance. Now let me see. done, done. So last one is this one. It's got butterflies. It's got butterflies and flowers on it. I also feel this one is also kind of like my skin tone. Also goes along skin tone. Yes, maybe. Don't know. Anyway, so yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe below and let me know which mask is your favorite down there. Who knows, maybe I might. Yeah, and also the link if you want these masks. There's a whole bunch of other masks there, but yeah, these are the ones that I got, so I'll put the link below if you want to get some of them. So anyway, bye guys.